Hi, my name is Voluntas. Welcome to my house. And here's my little nice cute bathroom. And I went with the Afro theme bathroom. It has like matching sets, Afro pieces, and I got them from Amazon, and the link will be below. But first, let's get into my house. But please, can you take off your shoes? And here's my little meditation area. I just come here and meditate in the morning before I go to school or work. And here's where the cooking happens, and all the cooking with volunteers happens. My kitchen is really little, tiny and small, but I just try to make good use of the little space I have here. Going into my living room, first I have my mirror here. I always come here and give myself a little bit of self-affirmations before I go to school, check I'm on fleek and everything. And here is my living room. I went with a yellow theme, and my sister Mimi gifted this couch to me, and I bought all this stuff from Ross, the cushions and the rugs and most of these things. And here I have a little throw blanket if you're ever cold, and I have more here. If you come and you're cold, you can always cover up. And here is just a little tiny space. And over here, I have some of my filming gear. Some of them I borrowed from school. And here I have my TV, Toshiba, and behind I have like the colorful lights. I just like a little bit of color. And I have my candles. You can tell I love candles so much. And this area is pretty simple, and you can tell I love me some liquor and alcohol. And now let's go into the bedroom where not everybody comes in. My bedroom, I went with the pink, light pink fuchsia color. And here's my bed, just like a normal college student. And I have this nice art painting my friend gifted me on my birthday, and I decided to put it there. Black Girl Queen. And here, like every other girl, I'm obsessed with shoes, and here's a few of my shoes. And yep, in this area I'm a bag freak. I've given out a lot of them, but this is just a few of my collections. And in here I have some of my clothes. And on this desk I do my studying, and I have my stool, and I have a rug. Most of these things I bought from Amazon. I do my makeup and everything else. And let's go into the closet. My closet is so packed and full, but here are my stuff. I just like put them in like according to colors, and yeah, and this is it. That's it. And yeah, I'm gonna work you out now. Thanks for visiting my home, and I'll see you next time. Bye.